Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that pops up online from time to time. Is former US President Barack Obama gay? Let's get into the facts and separate speculation from reality. Barack Obama served as the 44th President of the United States from 2009 to 2017, making history as the first African American president. Before the White House, he was a community organizer, a law professor, and a U.S. Senator from Illinois. He's also a best-selling author and continues to be an influential voice in politics today. Rumors about Obama's sexuality have circulated for years, often tied to conspiracy theories or political agendas. Some stem from old acquaintances making unverified claims, while others point to his strong public support for LGBTQ+ rights, including his endorsement of same-sex marriage during his presidency. These factors have fueled speculation, but no credible evidence has ever been presented. Is Barack Obama gay? No, Barack Obama is not gay. He has been married to Michelle Obama since 1992, and together they have two daughters, Malia and Sasha. While he's been an outspoken advocate for LGBTQ+ rights, including historic policy changes during his presidency, his personal life shows no indication that he identifies as gay. Like many public figures, Obama has faced rumors and speculation, but the facts remain clear. He is straight, married, and a devoted family man. His legacy on LGBTQ+ rights is about advocacy and equality, not about his own sexuality.